In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your OneDrive settings efficiently. We're going to go through a few simple steps that will give you full control over how you use OneDrive, making it more tailored to your individual needs. First, let's begin by navigating to Microsoft's official website. You can easily find this through a quick web search or by typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the page, the next step is to sign in to your Microsoft account. Keep an eye out for the Sign In option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to move to the Sign In page. Here, it's time to enter your credentials, starting with your email address. Type it in the field that asks for your email, phone, or Skype details. After entering your email address, proceed by clicking the Next button. Next, you'll need to input your password. Make sure you enter it accurately, as passwords are case-sensitive. So, check that your caps lock is turned off unless your password specifically includes capital letters. After entering your password, click on Next to continue. You might be prompted with a question asking if you want to stay signed in. If you're on a personal device and prefer not to log in every time, selecting Yes will save some hassle in the future. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's definitely safer to choose No. Once you have logged in successfully, it's time to navigate to the OneDrive section. Look for an option that says All My Microsoft at the top of the page and click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with various Microsoft services and applications. From these options, we're interested in OneDrive, so go ahead and select it. When the OneDrive page loads, click on Sign In to proceed. At this stage, you should be logged in automatically if you opted to stay signed in earlier. Now that you're in OneDrive, let's explore the settings. Start by heading over to the OneDrive homepage, then locate the settings, often symbolized by a gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this icon reveals a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, select Options to dive into the different settings you can adjust. The Options page offers access to various settings, allowing you to manage things like your storage plan, file formats, and personal vault. There's even more, including management of your photos, notifications, and other features. If you're considering upgrading your storage plan, click on Plans and Upgrades, which is an excellent way to compare the different options available to you. This can help you select the best plan for your storage needs. For those frequently working with Office documents, exploring the Office file format setting could prove beneficial, particularly if maintaining integrity and compatibility across different Office versions is crucial for you. If you have sensitive files, the Personal Vault is a security feature offering an additional layer of protection. You can click on this to set up or manage your Personal Vault for enhanced security. Moreover, managing how OneDrive handles your photos is straightforward. Just click on Photos to adjust how images are uploaded and organized, which is great for users who use OneDrive as their primary photo backup solution. Lastly, we'll touch on notifications. By clicking on Notifications, you can customize how and when OneDrive alerts you about changes or updates. This feature is essential for staying on top of any modifications to your stored files without constantly checking manually. And there you have it. You've now gone through the fundamental steps to manage your OneDrive settings. By customizing these preferences, you can enhance your OneDrive experience, making it more tailored to how you work and organize your digital life. Remember, taking a moment to adjust settings according to your specific needs can boost your productivity and make managing your digital files much easier.